Thank you. Thank you very much. When you are disarmed and suddenly 4 bullets have to reach you.
Peace, peace, oh peace unto the whole world.
What peace? What justice? Whose peace? Whose justice? How can I be expected to be peaceful where there is no peace? To be just where there is no justice? My friends, my question stood yesterday. My question still stands today. My question shall still stand tomorrow. We shall stand on his grave, not mourning but singing the war cry. Ulala abathakathi. For so many sons of this land have gone the same way, and we have watched them go. Samora Machel, Jason Ziapapa Moyo, Gideon Kimathi, Malcolm X, Solomon Matango, Ruth Toast, Gift Mpenge, Hector Peterson, Benjamin Moloise, Steve Van Kubiko, Alfred Nigita Mangena, Josiah Tongokara, Marcus Garvey, Martin Luther King, Nanen Konjo, Lillian Ngoyi, and those whose names we've been silent about. Far too many to mention. Our children must know the source of the cloud that does not bear water. I say to you all, Robalanga Kozo, Lalani Ngawutula, Robalanga Kozo. Sentenina, 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 Sunenina, 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 Tata Dego, Tata Dego, Tata Dego, Tata Dego, Tata Dego. You look like a woman, you look like a woman, you look like a woman. cannot tolerate this any longer. Time is not on our side. It's now or never will it ever be done again. Strike the iron while it's still hot. Kulicala na ukuloyela inkululeko. Kulicala na ukuzilwela wena. We cannot tolerate this anymore. Mo.
Shaya.